All right, so I'm gonna make it a quick video for a issue I was experiencing with the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. The issue was that I can turn on the car just fine, drive it, and park whatever. I come back and I try to turn the key, and it wouldn't crank. No crank, no start at all. I ended up checking the fuse box, and the fuse box, it had the 120 alternate or 120 amp. I guess it popped, but the symptoms were no crank, no start, and sometimes it would actually start. So it was like sporadically, little by little, getting worse and worse. And then finally it just left me at the tire shop for 40 minutes to an hour. I kept turning it, nothing. So I would get the dash lights, and I had the a scanner plugged in, so every time the car was off, the scanner was on, and I would try to turn it on the vehicle, the scanner would turn off. So I'm making this video just so it might help somebody, give it a little bit more clarification. But this was the issue here, or this is the issue. So as of right now, I had to come to the fuse box, and it had popped. So right now I switched it out. I came to the fuse box, right, and this is it. Some people have a 140. I have a 120. I don't know if it's because it's a V4 cylinder, I don't know, whatever. But anyways, so the way to take out this fuse box on a 3rd generation Tacoma is you first have to unscrew everything that's holding this cable down. You see this long cable? So we're here on the right side. Everything that's holding this cable down, you take it out. You take it out with one of these. Okay, so all the little holes, you pop them out, right? So you can have it loose. It comes with so there are 2 screws here, right, that you have to take out. 2 small bolts, one here and another one down here. So here and there, as you can, I think you can probably see it. All right, great. Once you have it loose, right, you have to take apart the bottom part of the fuse box, and with the top. So you can see these are the 2 little clips. It actually has like 6 of them. 6 of them hold it together. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Sorry guys, I don't make videos. But okay, so the way to actually take it out is there's a screw here, right? You think you can see it? There's a screw here that you have to take out. You take it out, you have to pop this down. So it has 4 little latches that it holds this part in. The way that I was able to just smoothly take it out was I using a pick. I mean, in this case I'm using this, but you would need a pick, and then you push it to the side, right, in order for it to open. And then I would put in a zip tie there so you can just hold it. And after you do all 4, you just push it down, and you're able to get there, right? You have to take this part off, which is this part here. You have to take this part off, and this one's also held by the screws back here somewhere, but you have to take this off. So you have to have it off. Once you have these 2 things off, same thing here. I put it back, put a zip tie in it, so then I'm able to just take it out. Once you're able to take it out like this, right, the last one is taking this part out. This one has a couple. So it has one up here. It has a little tab that you have to unclip, right? Unclip it there. It has one here on the side, it has one here, and it has one here. So these are the ones that you have to take out. Once you push it down, you have access to the bolt. And once you have access to that bolt here, you take it out. But if they didn't make it inconvenient enough for you that you have to actually take out the one from the back as well. So it has with 2 bolts. It has the one here and it has one back here. I was able to get to it with a 10mm extension like this, and I took it out. So once you take that out, the bolt back here, and you take this one out, then you can put in your new this new fuse. Now I'm just going to bolt it back in and just put it all back together. All right, I hope that was helpful. But you have to just make sure, don't be lazy, just take this out, you know, unscrew these, and once you have that, the way to take it apart is by having a pick. Make it easier on yourself, and yeah, yeah, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a mechanic, but I like taking things apart and putting them back together. I used to be a computer repair technician, so I know how to take things apart and put them back on, but I'm no way in shape and form a mechanic. You know, I mean, I just know basic stuff. But yeah, all right, hopefully that helps somebody. So remember, take all of this out, take these 4 clips and then push it down. Once you're able to push that down, you're able to push this out, push that down, which releases this entire top part. Once you have that release, oops, oh, I'm sorry, okay, so take out these 4 clips out. Then to take this out, you have to push it down, and once that, then all of this top part is released. Once that's released, you're able to push it back here, push one, another one here, another one here, another one here, and one back here. Once you have that, you're able to push it all down to actually have access to the to it here. All right, guys, I'm outie.